Viewers, Katrina again. I'm going to summarize the movie Amish Grace. Napanood nyo na ba yan? Very touching, diba? Sa mga di pa nakakanood, I'm going to tell you the story. We're going to focus with the Amish mother who struggled para magpatawad. It was a senseless scam that no one could have foreseen. In the wake of the shooting, the media descended upon nickel mines. At ang mga magulang ng mga batang pinatay ay nanatiling loyal sa kanilang pangako to practice forgiveness. Liban kay Ida Graber was devastated by the loss of her beloved daughter. She found myself unable to forgive the gunman, his wife, Amy Roberts. Sa paglipas ng panahon, Ida's sorrow continues to fester, testing her faith in ways that she and many others in her community never dream of. Ayan ang konting impormasyon na masasabi ko tungkol sa Amish Grace. Beautiful story night. It's not perfect but it moved me to tears. So ayan, thanks for watching!